So right now, my advice to all the applicants for the incoming new pilot programs on 2025 that they have to keep an eye on IRCC website for the next pilot programs, rules, and guidelines. But for the meantime, check the current documents needed, as I don't think they will change it. And it's going to be the same, only like ask for more. And at least have it in mind that although ang English language test or yung IELTS, IRCC or Immigration Refugees Citizenship Canada lowered it from benchmark of 5 to 4. Now applicant must still have to take the test. And yung ECA will be equivalent to Canadian high school and at 1 year post, same as the programs that ended yung program ko na home child care provider program pilot and home support worker pilot program. Yun yung for elderly and for child care na programs na nag-open siya year 2019 and ended this year, June 17, 2024. So, 5 years to siya programs. And yung ECA, for 2025 na pilot na bubuksan, will be equivalent to at least 2 years graduate with certificate and diploma. So, if you have taken your academic years outside Canada, you can get your credentials ready for now. You still have a lot of time. And there are lots of things you can do now in advance to be prepared for the submission of your application. You can have a choice if you want to do it yourself or DIY yung tinatawag nila, or you can go directly to the agency to have at least mahaba-haba pa ang oras mo to look for employers and prepare all your documents and requirements. So I guess that is all I can share to you, like what they're going to be prepared. But yung new pilot, they must have relevant experience. IELTS, binabaan ng 4 na lang siya ngayon. And yung yung ECA. And so as valid, dapat it must be valid yung job offer ng applicant. So yun lang, I guess that is all. We've arrived in Vancouver, Canada. See, lumabas ako and get my permit from the officer, and then yun nag-flight ulit from Vancouver to Calgary. So yun na yun, another an hour and a half, I think, an hour and a half, then I've arrived in Calgary, Alberta. So yun, dito na yun siya. When I arrive, na siya, daming snow. February 27, snowing pa siya kayo. Dami. View from up there, from the sky. So, diba? Tingnan mo, wala kang makitang puro snow. Walang puno, lahat. Wala kang makikita, para siyang nasa ibang lupa-lupa. Ang makikita mo lang yan, mga ganyan. But then it's just so happy at this time. Sobrang hindi ako makakain, sobrang kaba. Sobrang kaba. Grabe ang kaba. Excitement, yun, halo-halo na siya. Excitement, kaba, hindi na ako makakain ng maayos. Dahil finally, dream come true for me. Answered prayer kay siya. Answered prayer and grabe si Lord. Amazing guys si Lord. Dito guys ang na ako sa point na grabe ang realizations ko sa na ang prayer totoo, ang alam mo yun, I even before alam kong totoo ang prayer, but this time talaga parang sa sobrang laki ng hiningi ko, tapos pinayagan ako, tapos nagkatotoo. Grabe to, overwhelming kayong experience. Kaya ang dami kong videos, ang dami kong kasi 'di ba parang hindi ako makapaniwala. Hindi siya kapanipaniwala. Tapos yun, overwhelming guys siya nga sitwasyon sa akong kinabuhi. Grabe kayo ang power of prayer. It's because yun, so mental kapasidad sa ko na ako wala man ko'y kapasidad, but amazing man si Lord.
Welcome to Calgary, ladies and gentlemen. Local time is 9:48. For your comfort and safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened, carry all baggage stowed until the aircraft has come to a complete and final stop and the captain has turned the seatbelt sign off. Use caution when removing articles from the overhead bins. Follow the guidelines of the agent. Receiving and transmitting functions are now permitted to be used. Once you leave the aircraft or you're on the ramp area, cell phones and headsets are not permitted until you're in the terminal building. Smoking is only allowed in the designated areas only. If you need assistance in deplaning or a few extra moments, we ask that you remain on board till the passengers have deplaned and the aisles have cleared. We'll be better able to assist you. Questions or concerns? There's an agent meeting the aircraft, TV monitors in the terminal.
Grabe. This is my room guys. Ang laki ng room ko. Yun, ang mga luggage ko. And those are my luggage. And then my yung lagay ng damit, my closet, my walk-in closet, and then yung yun ang laki ng room ko, sobrang laki, times basta may sariling bathtub, may sariling CR. Yun, dumating na si Daphne, tapos yun ganyan siya karaming snow siya kasi malamig. Tapos kumain kami ni Sir. Dinala niya ako sa malapit kumain kami. Pero ako sobrang excited. Tapos basta. Yan yung backyard. Tingnan mo. Mula nag-yellow pa siya. Tapos ngayon may tanim na. May garden. So, when the winter comes, wala na po'y garden. Iligpit na po siya. Sa summer na po otro. So yan. Daming snow. But, masarap sa loob ng bahay. Malamig. Thank you, Lord.